No. Okay. Yeah. So yesterday, I had a little bit of engagement, so I couldn't join on the call. So we will continue from where we stopped on Saturday, on Friday. Yeah. So I already have my app open, my GIS app, GIS Pro app. So if you haven't done so, please go now and search in the Windows bar, search, and then search ArcGIS Pro, and then you open your map. If you have already done so, it's good that we continue. So we are still working on the existing project. We are not going to create a new project. We are still working on our existing project. So I think we have another person who is joining now, making 10. Welcome, Mr. Briber. Mr. Briber. All right. So if you already have your ArcGIS Pro open, if you have not done so, please open your ArcGIS Pro. You go to your Windows search, or you can even pin your ArcGIS Pro here on the taskbar here. Each time you open from the Windows search, you will see it's part of my listed apps on my taskbar. So these are the pinned apps. So let's say if I want to pin it, I will just right click. You right click and then you see pin. Right now it's on pin. I will unpin it and then I will right click and then I will say pin. Pin to taskbar. So I'll pin it to taskbar. So that anytime if I want to open my ArcGIS Pro app, I will not have to go I will not have to go to search and search and start typing ArcGIS Pro. I'll just go to my taskbar and double click and you will see that the app will open. So that's one easy way to access your app. So can we all pin our ArcGIS Pro app to the taskbar? When you open ArcGIS Pro, you will already have a list of apps on your taskbar. I guess we all know what a taskbar is. You just right click on your taskbar on the app and then you say pin to taskbar. Once you pin it, even if you close it anytime now you want to open the ArcGIS Pro app, you wouldn't need to go to search and start searching for your app. You will go straight to your taskbar and double click and then your app will initialize and then it will open. All right. So anytime we open our ArcGIS Pro app, you will get this interface. You will get this interface. Don't be scared. Don't be scared by the interface. All your recent projects, that is projects you have created and projects you are working on, will be listed here. Recent projects. If you want to find any project, you can click in find and then you can type a particular project and then it will be easy for you. Because there will come a time you have plenty projects underneath here. And then you will see where your project is saved. The path. You see my project is saved under C, GIS Training, Project Files, GIS Training 2024, GIS Training 2024.aprx. The .aprx is the extension file for ArcGIS Pro. So we are going to continue working on our existing project. which is the GIS Training 2024. So please open this project, or you click on the project, you double click on the project, and then the project will open. Please do that now. Yes, I'm recording. I'm using a different software to record. Yeah, because I noticed that when I record on Zoom, um, some of the recordings we are not recording with MP4. So I had to change. So I'm using OBS Studio to record the lesson. Have we all opened our projects? Have we all opened our project? Okay, please let me get confirmation. Yeah, um, from you guys. I just want us to be on the same page. Have we all opened our project? All right. So okay. So we are still on Saturday. On Friday, we stopped at um, editing our attribute tables. We stopped at editing our attribute tables. If you right click on settlement and then you go to attribute table, I guess we have all I guess we have all edited the attribute and put in the number of schools, number of houses, number of health centers, population. I hope we have all done that. Okay, can I get response from the other guys, please? All right. So the assignment I gave was, let's put in imaginary figures and also name of chiefs and stuff like that. So I said we should do for settlement, for road network, and yeah, and also Yeah, for the settlement road network. Um, I guess we have all done that. All right, so today we are going to, if we have already edited and now we know how to edit our tables, we know how to add new fields. Say for example, I want to add a new field. I think I still need to, let's see, right click, copy, paste, right click, copy, paste, right click. By the way, you can even right click and copy paste. You don't need to type in. I will just right click on this star, copy, and then I come to paste. Once I'm done, I'll go to edit and then I'll save my edit. All right, so today I want us to do coordinate system and symbology. Today we are going to do coordinate system and symbology, and then we will edit settlements, the names, because I already know that you have given imaginary figures to these settlements or this road network. So today we are going to do coordinate system, symbology, and also we will do editing. We'll continue with editing, advanced editing. Those are the three things we will do today. So now, number one, to coordinate system. So please, if you have your table open, please close your table. Make sure before you close, make sure you have saved your edit. Close your table. Have we all closed? Have we all closed our tables? All right. If you want to change your map coordinates, you can click. There is an arrow here. Please click. Put your arrow here. You will see meters. You will see feet. You will see US feet. You will see degree decimal seconds. You will see MGR. You will see US national grid. You will see UTM. Please select UTM. This is how we change the display units. Okay, I said we should close our, if your table is open, if your, let's say if any of your table is open, if your table is open, if your table is open, please close your table. And now we want to change the display units. For example, when you are passing your hand tool or when you are moving your hand tool, you will notice that at the bottom here, you will notice the XY coordinates will be changing. You see, the XY coordinates will be changing. So if, for example, I put, let's say, I place my hand tool here. If I place my hand tool here, and then this is the coordinates. So if, for example, I place my hand tool here, and then I want to see the coordinates, you can see the coordinates here, and then you can write it down maybe in your book or in your paper or on your paper, whatever. If I want to know the coordinates of here, I can just put my hand tool here, and then I can see the coordinates here, and then I'll write them down. As you move your pen tool, you will see that the coordinates are changing. So if you want to change this display, right now it is in UTM, that is Universal Transverse Marcator. UTM means Universal Transverse Marcator. If I change it to degrees, minutes, and seconds, say you want to change it to degrees, minutes, and seconds, you just click that one, and then you see that it has changed to degrees, minutes, and seconds. Changing map coordinates or changing display coordinates. At the bottom here, you see that the coordinate type you are using is listed here at the bottom here. Once I move my pan tool around, you see that the figures are changing, the numbers are changing. If I want to change the map unit type, I will just bring my arrow here, and then you will see different units, meters, feet, blah, blah, blah. Mostly we use UTM. So you click UTM, and then it will change to UTM. 28 north, and then these are the coordinates, the X and the Y. The first one is the X, the other one is the Y. 28 north is the zone 28. And then the coordinate, this is Y, this is X, and this is X, this is Y. So that's how you change the map units. Now, I want us to go to uh, the coordinate system, geographic coordinate system. So, like I said, say coordinate system. Actually, each of these spatial layers, you see, they are they are located on the globe, this globe, on a particular coordinate, on a particular spatial location. So if you are creating a layer, if you are creating a spatial layer, then you have to give it its proper geographic coordinate system. Can we all go back to catalog? Can we all go back to catalog? Go to catalog, and then go to folders, open folders. Open folders, go to your C drive, and then go to GIS training. And then you go to GIS data. Then you go to mining data. Go to catalog, go to your folder, open folder, Go to GIS training, open GIS training, go to GIS data, open GIS data, go to mining data, open mining data. Are we all there? I'm only getting response from Collier. I'm only getting response from Collier. Are we all together? All right, perfect. All right. So now um, we want to go to geographic coordinate system. Now, how do you select a coordinate system when you are creating a layer? You know, at first when we created these shape files, we use the current map coordinate system. And the current map coordinate system is just like a default. We did not specify the coordinate system. So what we are going to do is um, we are going to select two coordinate systems that are normally used in Sierra Leone, which is WGS 1984 Zone 28 North and then Zone 29 North. We are going to select them, and then in our next layer creations, that is what we will use. So now, can you guys? I want us to create a layer. I want us to create a new layer called streams. So you right click on mining data. Please right click on the folder mining data. Right click on mining data. Go to new shapefile. We have 10 minutes. We'll be kicked out and then we will come back again. And then once you right click and you go to new shapefile, your create feature class geoprocessing window will open. And now the feature location, where do you want to save your shapefile is under mining data. So you don't want to change it. If I want to change it, I will click on the browse and then I will go to somewhere I want to save my data. I can save it under my libraries if this is where I want to save it, but I will leave it under mining data. And then the feature class name, please type stream network. Stream network. Now for stream network, geometry type. Can somebody tell me which geometry type to use? Can anybody tell me which geometry type to use? What? Polyline, correct. We use polyline. So please select polyline. Change it to polyline. Polyline. Now, coordinate system. Now, don't use current map. Now see, if you select current map, see the coordinate system that will come. WGS 1984 Web Marketer Auxiliary Shape Sphere. Now, this is not the actual coordinate system for this area. So we are going to click this globe. There is a globe here. Select coordinate system. Please click on the globe. Now, when you select on the globe, you will see the coordinate system window opens. The coordinate system window will open. It will tell you your current coordinate system you are using is WGS 1984 Web Margaret Auxiliary Sphere. But this is not the coordinate system for this area. This area, at the bottom here, you see it's telling us zone 28. We are using UTM zone 28. So we have to select that one. So this is your coordinate system window. You have, forget about all of these current Z, just forget about it. Search. You can even search a coordinate system. If you know the coordinate system, you can search it. And then here you have the available coordinate system. You have favorites. For me, if I open favorite, you will see that I have WGS 1984 zone 20, UTM zone 28 north. I also have WGS 1984 zone 28 and zone 29 north. So these are my favorites because in Sierra Leone, anywhere I'm working, if I'm working in the south and some part of eastern part of Sierra Leone, I know my coordinate system is zone 28. Western part and towards the northern eastern part is zone 29. So if you have a project and you are working in the northern part, there are some areas you are working in the zone 29 zone. Sierra Leone is divided into two zones, zone 28 and zone 29. So currently the zone we are working in the southern part, this part we are working in is zone 28 north. So what I did was I have selected these both as my favorite and I've made it my favorite so that I will not have to go and search for it each time. And then also you have your layers here. These are the layers we are currently using. The layers we are currently using, they are using this coordinate system. So you can see that you have this coordinate system there. And then you have the geographic coordinate system. Please open geographic coordinate system. When you open geographic coordinate system, you will see 3D, Africa, Asia. You have plenty. Europe, you have India, South America, world. All of these are coordinate system. For example, let's open Asia. If you click on Asia, they have different coordinate systems. These are coordinate systems now for different regions. So you don't go there. I'm just showing you what is under geographic coordinate system. But when you click this globe, when you click the globe, and then you will have to come to projected coordinate system. Please click on projected coordinate system. You come under projected coordinate system. And then you have arc, continental, you have national grids. Please go to UTM, projected coordinate system UTM. Then when you open UTM, please go to WGS 1984. Click WGS 1984. Please, Northern Hemisphere, open Northern Hemisphere. When you open Northern Hemisphere, you now have the coordinate systems. Please look for WGS 1984 Zone 28 North. WGS 1984 Zone 28 North. Zone 28 North. WGS 1984 Zone 28 North. Please right click and say add to favorites. Right click, add to favorites. Also click on Zone 29 North. Right click, add to favorites. Now, please scroll up, close everything. Scroll up and close everything. Yeah, yeah, David, can I call you back? Conducting the training, yeah? All right, so now you can go to favorite, open favorite. Okay, hello, yeah, yeah, David, yeah, David. All right, guys, I think we can stop here for now, and then we will go and continue, and then, yeah.